Meaning of fajitas.
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 Fajitas. Fajitas are a Tex-Mex dish consisting of grilled or sautéed strips of meat, typically beef, chicken, or pork, served with tortillas and toppings such as sour cream, guacamole, and shredded cheese. The meat is often marinated in a mixture of lime juice, garlic, and spices before being cooked. Fajitas are usually served sizzling hot on a cast-iron skillet or platter, which adds to their appeal. They are a popular dish in Mexican-American cuisine and have become a staple in many households and restaurants around the world.